Hello everyone, welcome back. As promised from my video 68, I told you that I will be showing you how to set the current date tracking, which is actually set a border to tell that today is the current date. Now, my name is Kelvin Ng. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. Let's take a look at what we have completed last video. Let's go in here. Now, today, assuming today is the 9th of September 2022, I would like to have a line that shows in here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all this. It's not going to take long. It's going to be quite easy to do this. All right. So all I need to do is just to check whether the day and month is equivalent to the day and month in the current date. So I'm going to use conditional formatting, new rule. Right, I set up a new rule here. So I'm going to put here equals to, so I'm going to put there month, right? Month, open bracket of the current date, this one, okay? And for the end, the year of the current date is equals to the month, right? Now, since I'm in G4, then I will check the cell G3. So this time I'm only going to log the only the 3, yeah. Okay. And the year of the G3, I will log only the 3. That's it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a border, and the border should be a thick border with a red color border, a dark red color border on the right over here. So let's see if it works. Let me see. There you go. That's September 2022. All right. So let's see if I change this one to, let's say today is the 1st of February 2023. So the line will go to 2023. Yes. So that will be the current date. So you can always track how many contracts will be ending soon and so on. All right. Thank you. I hope you like this video, and please help me to like and share to as far as possible to all those who need this kind of solution. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video, video 70.